Imagine waking up tomorrow with your muscles stronger, more recovered, and ready to perform. And all it takes is 2 simple vitamins before bed. No, I'm not talking about magnesium or the usual recommendations. Tonight, I'll introduce you to 2 vitamins that work while you sleep to rebuild muscle tissue, reduce soreness, and help you achieve recovery that most people can only dream of. Now let's clear something up right away. This isn't about spending more time in the gym, expensive powders, or fancy supplements. It's about giving your body exactly what it needs at the perfect time, during deep restorative sleep. If you've ever wondered why your muscles still feel sore days after a workout, or why your recovery seems slower than it should be, then keep watching. Most people think muscles grow in the gym. Well, that's actually not true. What happens in the gym is that your muscles get broken down. Tiny micro-tears form through resistance and load. This sends a signal to your body that it needs to adapt and come back stronger. But the real magic, the rebuilding, strengthening, and growth happens when you rest, and especially when you sleep. Sleep is your anabolic window. During deep sleep, growth hormone is released, testosterone levels are regulated, and cortisol drops. This is when the body floods muscles with nutrients that repair those micro-tears. Without the right tools before this critical window, your recovery can fall short. And that's where the power of these 2 vitamins comes in. Let's talk about the first vitamin, vitamin D. You probably know it as the sunshine vitamin. But here's the thing. It's more than just that. Vitamin D acts like a hormone. It plays a crucial role in muscle strength, muscle protein synthesis, and even testosterone production. Studies show that people with adequate vitamin D recover faster, experience less soreness, and see better muscle function. Taking vitamin D at night can work wonders. During sleep, vitamin D enhances calcium and phosphorus absorption, which are critical for muscle contraction and repair. But that's not all. It also helps activate the genes involved in muscle cell growth. So, if you're not getting enough vitamin D, you could be working twice as hard in the gym and getting half the results. Most people don't get enough vitamin D, whether it's due to spending too much time indoors, wearing sunscreen, or living in areas with long winters. A deficiency is common. And if you're pushing your body hard with training, this deficiency could be hindering your muscle recovery. Now let's get to the second vitamin, vitamin C. Most of you might associate vitamin C with immune health, but did you know it's also a cornerstone of muscle repair? Vitamin C is needed for collagen synthesis, which helps repair the connective tissue that supports your muscles. Every time you push yourself in a workout, whether it's lifting weights or running, you're not just stressing your muscle fibers, you're stressing the connective tissue too. Without proper collagen repair, you'll experience stiffness, soreness, joint pain, and even a higher risk of injury. But vitamin C helps rebuild collagen, making your muscles, tendons, and joints stronger and more flexible. Plus, vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant. After a workout, free radicals flood your muscles, causing inflammation and slowing recovery. But when you take vitamin C at night, it neutralizes oxidative stress, essentially putting out the fire that could leave you sore the next day. Together, vitamin D and vitamin C form an unstoppable duo. Vitamin D works on muscle growth at the cellular level, while vitamin C strengthens your connective tissue and fights inflammation. These 2 vitamins create the perfect environment for muscle recovery while you sleep. Think about it. You finish a tough workout, your muscles are on fire. But after taking vitamin D and vitamin C at night, you wake up feeling stronger, less sore, and more energized, ready to hit the gym again. This isn't just for hardcore athletes or bodybuilders. Whether you run, do yoga, or even just exercise a few times a week, these vitamins will help your body recover and prevent injuries. Recovery isn't just about muscle growth. It's about feeling good in your body, staying mobile, and being injury-free. Here's my challenge for you. For the next 30 days, take vitamin D and vitamin C before bed. Keep your workouts the same, keep your diet the same, but pay attention to how your body feels when you wake up. Notice the difference in your energy, soreness, and performance. I guarantee you'll feel the shift. Sometimes the most powerful solutions are the simplest ones. Forget the latest fancy supplements. Start with vitamin D and vitamin C. Take them consistently and let your body do what it's designed to do. Repair, rebuild, and grow stronger while you sleep. Consistency is key. Take these 2 vitamins every night, and you'll unlock recovery on autopilot. No more soreness, no more plateaus, just faster recovery and better performance. Remember, it's not just about how hard you train. It's about how well you recover. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on optimizing your recovery and fitness. Sleep tight and let your body work its magic tonight.